Right, about 25% of a 22-acre peatland area at Peninsular Plantation Sdn Bhd has been burning since last Friday. The affected land includes a 4-hectare oil palm plantation and a 5-hectare pineapple plantation. Johor Fire and Rescue Department Zone 3 Chief Siti Haja Sanusi said firefighting efforts are highly dependent on weather conditions, as strong winds have disrupted operations and caused embers to spread. Siti Haja said the department received a report on the fire at 8:34 p.m. on Friday, by which time the blaze had spread to around 10 acres of oil palm plantation and 12 acres of pineapple plantation. Firefighting operations began at 9 a.m. on Saturday, involving 6 personnel from the Simpang Renggam Fire and Rescue Department, supported by 11 members from the Simpang Renggam and Layang Layang volunteer fire brigades, as well as 20 plantation workers. She added that aerial monitoring by a drone unit detected active hotspots, along with fire and smoke, across 3 acres of peatland.
Untuk menghalang tumpukan api daripada merebak ke kawasan sepadan sebelah, dan seterusnya apa yang anda lihat atau tuan lihat di lapangan sekarang, kita membuat kerja-kerja pemadaman dengan menggunakan hose nozzle dan juga alat GS Mark 2 dan GS Mark 3 lah di sini bagi memadam kebakaran dan juga kesan tumpuk-tumpuk haba yang kita nampaklah di tanah gambut ini.
She said the operation remains weather dependent, with the fire expected to be brought under control within 1 to 2 days if rain occurs. Previously, peatland fires in Pengerang and Muar were successfully extinguished.